Today's video I will show you how to factory reset or hard reset Huawei P30 Pro. In this way very easy, so follow me step by step, don't skip video. Warning, you do it at your own risk. Make sure that your phone full charge, remove SIM card and backup your data. If you reset your phone, all your data may be lost. So let's get started now. First power off your phone, then hold on power button and volume up button a few seconds and start Huawei logo. Remove finger power button, then wait a few seconds. Now show this interface and select clear data. Next select factory reset, then type yes and select factory reset. Next again factory reset, then wait a few seconds. Okay, next select back and select reset, then wait a few seconds. Now select get start and select your country, then next and agree terms condition, then next, skip and connect Wi-Fi.